Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Jessica, and it's currently like 2 minutes until New Year's Day, so I need to be quick, but hey guys, so we're going to go back in the living room. It's currently nearly midnight, so let's go. Oh, there's the countdown. Here we go.
I'm going to start my 30 seconds. Oh no.
Quick.
Can you update?
Quick, Lily. 3, 2. Oh, 30 seconds. Here we go, guys. Get ready. It's midnight.
17 seconds left.
Let's go, guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year!
Yay!
We're going up outside as well.
Woo!
2017.
And there we go, guys. 2017 has entered. Another great year.
Yeah, right.
Woohoo! Look at that. Filmed in London.
The iPhones.
You can just see loads of iPhone 6s and 7s. You just like. But there we go. New Year's Day. Woohoo! When does Big Ben stop? No one knows.
Oh, is it 12 things?
You ready, guys? They can't see anything because it's so bright. Whoa. If you look at it on my screen, it's just going to blow your eyes out. Music. They might be from London, you never know. They're probably not. Is Kay there, Mummy? She's probably asleep, because she said night to me, didn't she? You could probably do a Snapchat of that.
I'm going to open you up, you're going to be sick. Dead. Gone.
That hasn't. They can see you just a bit. And trees. It would not be good for the people standing in the back.
People be on that big wheel.
No. Definitely, Lily. You can barely. They can barely see you, by the way. If I could edit, I would probably say warning really bright lights. But I don't know how to. I can't edit on iPads.
Really bright lights at the minute.
My arms are hurting. Because normally it's like leant against each something. Do you know what helps so my arms don't hurt? Go like this. They can barely see the trees anyway. Woohoo! I wish I was actually there, but
You've probably stood there for hours and hours and hours. Yeah, probably. Hours and hours and hours, like all day.
why?
Get that near the front.
many fireworks do they have?
Got about 400.
They've done it for 5 minutes now.
Yeah.
I've been recording for 5 minutes.
I told you it was long.
How long is it?
We'll find out when it finishes.
I might have to do like a separate video though.
Right.
I'll have to be really quick. They might be watching it anyway, so they won't have missed it probably. I'm just recording it for the people that didn't like go to watch it or didn't watch it. Someone's really loud. Oh, look at that. Did you see the ones out of the middle of it? No.
Yeah, that's cool, aren't they?
Yeah. Can you see the ones out the middle? Look at that. Whoa. Is this the best fireworks show that they've ever had, really, in London?
Oh, it's good every year.
Yeah. I've never watched it before.
Because you never been
This
up.
is the first year.
Well, I said you could set last year and you got tired by about 9:30. Yeah.
well, I am 8 now, so and
Yeah.
I can barely get to sleep anyway.
No, my mum and stuff went to Blackpool. It was well late last year.
Imagine a firework at the end saying Happy New Year.
They can actually do that, can't they? Big crying and stuff.
Ooh. Look at that.
Oh, that looks really cool. Welcome to 2017.
I'm not even paying attention to the camera. Just watching it in real life. I don't care what they say. I just want to see myself. I can see the O2 in the background, I think.
Oh yeah?
Somewhere. I think that might be the O2, is it? In the... Pardon?
Probably.
Yeah.
Not behind there.
Oh, low battery. Oh, God. The iPad's probably going to run out before the actual thing's going to end.
Yeah.
I'm sure someone else has filmed these anyway, though. So, if you guys don't see the whole video, don't worry. You might... I've never seen this many fireworks in my whole entire life. Okay, maybe not. Mind the gap. You just hear, mind the gap. Oh. Oh. They're much better in real life than seeing it on film. Trust me, they are. Imagine the red arrows flying over at the end. You never know, it might happen. I doubt it though. Because they might get hit by one of the fireworks by accident setting off. Couldn't they? Probably crash into Big Ben or something. It's been going on for 10 minutes now. I can feel my heartbeat in my hands. Yeah. Imagine if they didn't close the roads off. You were just walking past and you were like,
Wow. Yeah.
you're just like, I've been in the Big Ben, but not when fireworks have been off. I knew they had lights, though. I'd really Snapchat this, but I would rather do this. 11 minutes we've been going on for. Look at that. You probably can't see Big Ben, but it's just lighting up like crazy. No, the fireworks are too bright for you. Oh, there, you can see it a bit. Oh, okay, okay. What was that? I never actually knew that they celebrated this every New Year. I didn't think that it was that exciting. I thought there was only going to be a few.
No, like on the string.
Yeah, like pew 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 pew.
They usually celebrate it big, don't they? It's a big New Year.
Mhm. 12 minutes already. What? Oh my goodness.
What are you watching now?
On Facebook. What?
Oh. Oh. They're finished then. Wow.
Is that right?
Is that all the fireworks then? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to end my video then.
Okay.
Because all I wanted to film was the fireworks. And
That just shows how big people are.
so, until next time, bye and a Happy New Year to all of you that are watching my video.